is a quick video of the bottom of the car, so as you can see, this is the posi rear differential from 1978 Pontiac. This was also installed. So here you can see the chassis. So you can see here it was done properly to install the front end of the Camaro. I think it's the front end of the Chevy Camaro 1978, but it was done properly. So this is it. There's no rust whatsoever under the car. There's no rust. No rust. Actually, the gas tank is also from a Camaro from the 70s. This is the electrical fuel pump. This was also properly installed for the transmission. Rust. This is a front end of the 1953 Chevy. And once again, this is what it was done to the chassis of the 49 Chevy. It's been there for almost 10 years, no problems. Actually, all this was also replaced. Any other question, feel free to call me.